Well, everyone, Google Drive is one of the most popular applications out there, and you might be trying to figure out how you can go through and use Google Drive. Now, it's a pretty basic application or website. There's a couple of different ways to get access to it. If you look at the very top, you can just go to drive.google.com and you can come right into it as long as you have access to your Google account. Now, what you can do once you're on this website is this is the layout. If you have never dropped a file in here before, all you're going to have to do is come into this page and it'll kind of make sense. Now you can immediately search within your Google Drive folder if you already have files in it. At the very left side, you have a couple of different buttons. At the very top, you have this plus new button. If you click it, it allows you to quickly go ahead and create a new folder, a new file upload if you want to upload a file, and you can quickly just jump into making a Google Doc, a Google Sheet, Google Slide, and a Google Form, even more Google options here. So that is actually something that's really nice. If you want to quickly jump into it, you have that type of capability here. Hopping out of here, you can click on Home, which is your Home tab. If you click on My Drive, this basically will show you your Drive files that you have available. So in this case, I have this one file right here. Now, if I click on Computers, it will show up a list of computers that are syncing with Google Drive, shared with me. If I tap on this, any files that are shared with me will come up in this page. Recent will show me all the recent files I have. Starred, any starred files I have saved. Spam, which is basically anything that was sent to me that's deemed spam, will come here. Trash will show up my trash folder, and then storage will show up all the files that I have right now in my storage. Now, if you go back into my drive, you can start basically dragging and dropping files right into here. So if you want to, like if I had a specific file that I wanted to, I could just go ahead and drag and drop that particular file right into here. So let's say, for example, I had a small little, file. Let's say I had a small little image which was of this little, Samsung Galaxy Tab. If I wanted to, I could just drag and drop my files right into here. It'll start uploading these files, and that's kind of it. A breakdown of a file is this. I have the name of the file right here, the owner, basically whoever uploaded it, the date that it was modified, the file size, as well as some quick options of kind of going through and basically downloading a file. I can rename a file, store a file. I can share out a file as well, so you have that type of capability there. I can also go through and click on more actions, and I can go through and I can, essentially have a lot more options here if I want to share out a file and all those things as well. Let's say I wanted to delete a file. I can click on the Move to Trash button, and now we'll start deleting the file. If I want to open up the file, I can literally just double click into the file like this. I'll go and see whatever the file is. I can open it up with Google Docs and those things. But if I wanted to delete it, I could just go through, right click on this file as well, and click Move to Trash. So you could start to begin kind of dragging and dropping whatever files you want to inside of Google Drive. Keep in mind of this storage limit right here. If you want to go and purchase more storage, you can click on Get More Storage right here, and it will go through and allow you to basically start upgrading and paying for Google Drive storage if you're already running out. So you do have that kind of capability here as well, and that's another thing you can do here too. So those are basically the main ways of kind of going through and using Google Drive. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.